Hello from Coleman and Company. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the flexible finishing sheet. Now, I've done videos on the Teflon pillows and the Heat Print Perfect pad, okay? Those are two different options that you have working with specific items that you're trying to either indent on seams or lift up. Now we do have kind of an intermediary item that has a little bit of a different purpose, okay? This flexible finishing sheet is 18 by 22 inches, so it'll fit in most standard heat presses, okay? And this is actually recommended for, in addition to doing minimal seams, which I'll show you in a moment, it is perfect for items that need the temperature still to be able to do things like Digital HeatFX or heat transfers, but you don't want the harsh heating element up against the item. This applies to things like neoprene, like koozies, high performance active wear like this shirt, things like raincoats where essentially it's kind of a plasticky material that can still handle the heat, just not the harshness of the platen right up against it. So, and lacquer is another good option. I mean, the stuff that is anything that is temperature sensitive that you are trying to apply heat to and you know can withstand the heat, this is your solution. Now remember not to do anything above 400 degrees. It's really not meant to breach 400 degrees, but this is a great option for things like, if you were going to apply this design, this is a heat transfer design, a Digital HeatFX print, to a shirt that has, and as you can see this pocket has a little bit of a seam, this flexible finishing sheet, when applied, when pressing it on here, will make sure that it not only is on the actual pocket, but also if any of the transfers on the edge of the garment, this flexible finishing sheet will lay on top of it and kind of hug the garment. So it'll bring the temperature down to the crooks and nooks and crannies of a garment. Another example I have was I was making a wallet with a zipper seam, and I was putting a name on there, and the name started with a T. Well, the T was right up against that zipper. I used the flexible finishing sheet on top of it, and what this did is it actually went into the nook and cranny, bringing the heat down against the nook of the zipper, and the transfer came out perfectly. So if you're dealing with any heat sensitive items or any items that have any weird lips and zippers and you don't really have a pillow, a Teflon pillow, or the Print Perfect pad, but you have one of these, use it. This will help get into those nooks and crannies. It's obviously cuttable to size, so if you're doing things like sport balls or need to get into smaller items, cut this to exactly what you need. Now, if you have any questions about which item, whether it be the Print Perfect pad, the Teflon pillow, or the flexible finishing sheet, if you're not sure which one will help you with your job, give us a call at Coleman and Company. We'll point you in the right direction. Have a great day.